Have you ever wondered what makes a car worth a staggering $1 million? Is it just the brand name, or is there something extraordinary under the hood? Today, we're diving deep into the luxurious world of high-end automobiles to uncover what's inside a $1 million car. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. This isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece. From its aerodynamically engineered body to the hand-polished finish, every curve and edge screams exclusivity. The lightweight carbon fiber body ensures maximum speed and efficiency, while giving it that ultra-premium look. Take a look at these custom alloy wheels, precision engineered for performance, and these LED matrix headlights that adapt to every turn on the road. Now, the interior. This isn't just a seat, it's a throne. The finest hand-stitched leather, customizable in any color you desire, paired with intricate detailing on the dashboard. And look at this diamond-studded accents. Yes, real diamonds. Every feature inside is designed with the driver in mind. Heated and ventilated seats, a bespoke sound system that makes you feel like you're in a live concert, and a touchscreen interface that controls everything from climate to ambient lighting. Under the hood is where the magic happens. This car is powered by a V8 twin-turbocharged engine delivering 1,000 horsepower. That's enough to launch you from 0 to 602 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. It's not just about speed, it's about precision. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride even at high speeds, and the state-of-the-art braking system guarantees unparalleled safety. A $1 million car isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's a combination of cutting-edge technology, exceptional craftsmanship, and the prestige of owning something so rare that only a handful of people in the world can claim to have it. So, is a $1 million car worth it? That depends on what you value. For some, it's an unmatched driving experience. For others, it's the ultimate status symbol. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next.